Here is an Oakleaf Hydrangea that I probably should have bought on the discount rack at one of the big box stores, but because it was probably past season, so it looked really bad. But it's been here for a year now. These smilax grow on everything. I really need to get, vines are crazy here in Florida. But look, it's growing flowers, and I think to establish this, it really needed a lot of water. It would look pathetic and wilt like crazy, but now it's really coming along and it's making flowers. So I'll keep you posted on how these will look once they come into full bloom. But this is probably 3 feet tall, 2.5 feet tall. Oakleaf hydrangea, and it's growing here in the middle of the woods.